If you want to quickly remove all bloatware from your Poco F8 Ultra, you can actually do this by opening up Mall application. For the first time, if you are opening this one, you will probably get some kind of the ad, so you will have to close this. Then go to your profile and select uninstall. Now, as you can see, we can quickly select everything that we can just get rid of this phone. So one by one, select just everything that you really want to remove from this phone. And now we have to just click on the uninstall button. So it's really useful. And you can also switch this view from frequently used to the name, size, and installation date. I will go with the name because you can find now alphabetic order. It's much easier to find some specific apps, and it's even including some kind of the system applications. But be careful with this one. I wouldn't recommend you anything that you don't know. Just base apps like, for example, this LinkedIn, stuff like that. Now once you actually select everything, click uninstall, and now click uninstall again. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful.